In this video, I am going to discuss about EY interview experience that was conducted on 27th of July. The slot was 11 to 11:45. The candidate's name was Ranjit Kaur and he was from IT branch. So watch the questions or dictate later because in this video you will learn about the questions that you can be asked in your next interview. So do not miss the video. So the first question was introduce yourself. You have to tell your name, your college name, your branch and your department. And if you have done any projects or internships, you can tell about that. And then next you can tell about your hobbies or extracurricular activities if you have any. So this should be your introduction. And you there is high probability that you can be asked about your introduction or tell me about yourself on your first question. The next question was what do you mean by normalization? This is a question from DBMS. So it is a very important question that is asked in many interviews. So you have to prepare this. Normalization is a process of minimizing redundancy from a relation or set of relations. So there are many types of normalizations like first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and DCNF. So there is a very more beautiful quote from Preeti Senan. Don't be afraid of experimenting and getting out of your comfort zone because that's when you learn what works for you. The next question is what are OOPS concepts? So there are four OOPS concepts. First one is inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. Going on to the next question, that will explain the inheritance concept with a real world example. You can give the example of vehicle is a base class and car, truck, bus, those are derived class. So this is a real world example of inheritance. You can give your own example also. Who is the CEO of the company? As this is Ernst and Young company, so the CEO of the company is Karmin D CBO. So whatever company you are giving interview, you need to know the CEO of the company. It is very important. So as you have interview scheduled and you need to give the interview with your 100%. So uncertainty always creates doubt and doubt creates fear. So eliminate the fear and excel in your interview and crack your interview on your first go. So grab your mock interview session now on TopMate now TopMate. So the link is given in the description. You can book your TopMate mock interview session now. There are very limited number of seats, so do not miss this opportunity. The price has also come down from 252 rupees 99 only. So just book it now and go to the description. Don't delay. The next question that is asked is what is the difference between primary key and foreign key? A primary key is used to ensure data in the specific column is unique. A foreign key is a column or group of columns in a relational database table that provides a link between data in two tables. The next question is tell me about a time when you work effectively under pressure. According to your experience, you need to give a situation where you were under pressure and you managed it effectively. Next question was explain the need for a lock and also explain the difference between a shared lock and an exclusive lock. Shared lock is also called a read lock, used for reading data items only, and with the exclusive lock, a data item can be read as well as written, also called a write lock. So this is the basic difference between a shared lock and an exclusive lock. So a lot of questions from CS fundamentals are asked from operating system, DBMS, and OOPS. So these are very three important topics that you need to cover before you giving your interview. If you are fearful, you can also book your mock interview session. The link is given in the description. It will definitely improve your interview performance. What is a deadlock? Deadlock is a situation where a set of processes are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource acquired by some other process. The last question was asked, do you have any question for us? In this answer to this question is always that If you have any question, you can ask that what will be my role, what are the technologies that Ernst and Young are currently working on. So these are the questions you can ask. But if you do not have any question, you can also say that no, I do not have any questions. So in this way, you can end your interview. Before ending this video, I will like to request all of you to grab your mock interview session right now on TopMed. There are limited seats only. Do not be uncertain about your interview results because uncertainty always creates fear, and eliminate this fear and by giving your mock interview and just crack your interview in one go. The link is given in the description. Just book your TopMed mock interview session now. Before ending this video, I will like to share a motivational quote from Sundar Pichai that a person who is happy is not because everything is right in his life. He is happy because his attitude towards everything in his life is right. This is a very powerful quote from Sundar Pichai. So by telling this, I would like to end this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more future updates about interview experience, job opportunity, and many more things. Thank you for watching.